In this video, we'll show you how to remove the oven door on a GE Appliances range. The only tools you'll need to complete this task is a pair of work gloves and a soft towel or cloth. Before beginning, place the towel on the floor or a large flat surface to protect the oven door when it's removed. Open the oven door to the broil position. The door will be open about 3 inches, making an approximately 75-degree angle. Firmly grasp both sides of the door at the top. Now lift the door upward and out until both hinge arms are clear of the slots. Once detached from the range, lay the door face down on the towel. To reinstall the oven door, simply slide the door down onto its hinges. And you're done. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to the GE Appliances YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.